Hello friends, welcome back to Tech Solutions. In today's tutorial, we are going to see how to destroy TM1 View using Turbointegrator process. Also, we will see how to destroy the TM1 cube views in a bulk. So at a time, we will delete more than one views using Turbointegrator process. So let's see this process. What is the syntax of destroy view function which we are going to use in Turbointegrator? This is view destroy in bracket cube comma view name. Cube is the parent cube of the view we are going to delete. View name is the name of the view we want to delete. So the syntax is view destroy in bracket cube comma view name. Now the question is, where should we destroy view in Turbointegrator process? So it depends. If you are going to destroy the view, just one view, and you are going to pass the cube name, actual cube name and actual view name directly into the Turbointegrator process, you can use prolog section to delete the view. And if you want to destroy the views in a bulk, where you will be providing the view name and a cube name from a particular file or from the database, where it will be listed in two columns, in that case we have to write this destroy view in the data section. Why in data section? Because we will be referring the view that particular file or a SQL from the database. It will be coming in, and in that case the database will be open. As you know, what is the difference between prolog, metadata, data and epilogue section? When we are processing the records from database or a file, it will open that data section and metadata section only when we will refer any database or a view or a file. If you don't know the difference between all these four different tabs, I will cover it in another video separately in detail. So that will be our second point, that how should we destroy the view in a bulk. So let's start and see the first, how to destroy a single view using Turbointegrator process. So we will take the first cube, PNL cube here. It has view 1, which is a public view. First thing, make sure that the view we are going to destroy, it should be a public view. You cannot destroy the private views. So let's go to process, right click, create process. In this case, we are not going to use any of these data sources, none. And no variables. Go to advanced tab. As we are not going to use any data source, only the prolog and epilogue section will be open for us to write the code. No metadata and data section are available for us to edit. So click on prolog, just write view destroy, the syntax as we know, the cube name. So the cube name is PNL cube, comma view 1. This name should be passed in a single quotes. And that's it. Let's save this process. Destroy single view TI process. Click OK. And let's run this process. Process completed successfully. And now let's see our views. Click here. It's gone. The view is destroyed. It doesn't exist there. Now let's take the next example where we are going to destroy the views in a bulk. So let me close this process. For that we will use price cube, and it has multiple views here, 5 views, and for this I'm going to use the Excel file as an input for us, where we will have the cube name and the view name written over here. I'm using only one view, one cube here, and it's multiple views. You can use multiple cubes and multiple views for that. So we are going to refer this file. Okay, so just navigate to processes, right click, create new process. In this case we are going to use a text file, so select text, browse to the location where the file is stored, preview, and see we have all these cube name and view name. Just mention that we have number of title records, 1, because we are using the title here on the first row. So the cube name and a view name. Go to variables. We will keep the variable names cube name, view name as it is, and then make it other here because we are going to refer them into the scripts. So other, contents as other. Go to advanced tab. Now you can see that metadata and data section is also open for us to use. So click on data section, view destroy, in bracket cube name is the first parameter is the cube name, and second parameter is the view name, and these are nothing but the variables I'm referring. Cube name, view name, here it is, destroy cube name, view name, and semicolon. Save this process, destroy views in bulk, and click OK. Let's see those views again if those are there in place. So we have all these views here. Click and let's run this Turbointegrator process. Process completed successfully. Let's see those cube views. It is price cube, and you see the views, all the views are deleted for price cube. And this is how we can delete the views in a bulk. So I'm going to close this process. So that's it from this tutorial, friends. Thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe us and help us with the subscription, and please give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Keep watching, and thank you very much.